Most people get this wrong when comparing Albert and Earnin. They look at the maximum cash advance amount and assume the bigger number automatically means the better app. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best choice depends on how you get paid, how often you need advances, and what financial tools you actually use. In this video, you'll learn the key differences between Albert and Earnin in 2026, how their cash advance features work, who each app is best for, and which one may fit your situation better. Let's get straight to the answer. Both Albert and Earnin are designed to help users access money before payday, but they approach the problem differently. Earnin is primarily focused on giving eligible users access to money they've already earned before their paycheck arrives. The app is built around the idea of helping workers bridge the gap between paydays. Albert, on the other hand, combines cash advances with budgeting tools, spending insights, financial tracking, and additional money management features. For example, imagine Alex gets paid every Friday and occasionally runs short on cash before payday. Earnin may appeal to him because its main focus is paycheck access. But if Alex also wants budgeting support and financial planning tools, Albert might offer more value. But here's the problem. Many users compare these apps without checking eligibility requirements. This is where most people fail. Cash advance availability can vary based on factors such as income history, direct deposits, account activity, and other eligibility criteria. Just because your friend qualified for a certain amount does not mean you'll receive the same result. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The biggest difference is often simplicity versus features. If your goal is mainly accessing earned wages before payday, Earnin may feel more focused and straightforward. If you want a broader financial app that includes budgeting tools alongside cash advance options, Albert may be the stronger choice. In a minute, I'll show you the question that instantly helps most people decide. Before choosing either app, compare subscription costs, optional fees, transfer speeds, and account requirements. Features and pricing can change over time, so always review the latest details directly within the app. Here's the deciding question. Do you mainly need paycheck access, or do you want an app that also helps manage your overall finances? If the answer is paycheck access, Earnin may be a better fit. If the answer is financial management plus cash advances, Albert may be worth considering. To recap, both apps can help eligible users manage short-term cash flow. Earnin focuses heavily on earned wage access, while Albert offers a wider range of financial tools alongside its advanced features. If this comparison helped you make a smarter decision, hit the like button, subscribe for more app comparisons and financial guides, and leave a comment sharing which app you're considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.